Well, morning. It's about almost 8 in the morning, and I'm booked in for this train to Yangon. So yeah, I'm just here at Mawlamyine train station, and yeah, I've just arrived at the train, and yeah, it's great. It reminds me a lot of the Indian trains. The train was built by the British, so it's all like the original trains and train lines. And I wonder if I can switch the camera at all. No, I don't think I can. But yeah, you can see this is the train, and this is the platform. So yeah, it should be a 9-hour train ride from Mawlamyine to Yangon. It should be really great. Cost me about $4 Australian, and I'm in like upper class, which looks like this. So yeah, pretty comfy. Yeah, it should be good. I'll post some videos and photos and stuff of the trip as well. See ya. So a little bit of time before the train leaves, and I got the driver of the train here, and he said that I can have a look in the front here, in the I think it's a locomotive. I think that's what it's called. So I'm gonna have a look. Wow. All right. So we're inside the driver compartment of the train. Very cool. Look at this.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
8 year.
Yeah.
You've driven this train for 8 years. Wow, that's pretty cool. You can see he's got like a little Buddha there for good luck. We're starting the train up. Cool. There's a little sign here. It says, cautiously save the lives on the railroad. Wow. Here we go, it's starting up. I just noticed there was a few sparks flying from inside the box, so I might stay away from that. Hello. Apparently the average speed of this train is 30 kilometers per hour, so it's only 350 k's to Yangon, but it takes 9 hours. He's getting a video too. Thank you. Good luck. Alright. So I think you could hear what I was saying in there. I hope so. So that was pretty cool. So yeah, I might as well, now that the engine's started, I'll get to my carriage and get ready. Oh, this guy is preparing something. So yeah, like I was saying before, Salam alaikum. Yeah, these trains were built by the British, so they're actually quite similar to the ones you get in India. And I don't think they've changed much. I think they're pretty much exactly the same as they were when the British ran them, and it's the same rail network. So yeah, really awesome to come on board, you know? Yeah, it's gonna be a fun time. Alright, see you later.
I guess I missed the chance. Vini? Bunsa? Đấy có điểm nhá. Đấy vậy.
Ông mà là sao ông thân nhà đi.
Ik vind het goed. Weg laten we. Niet, hè? Vind je het vanmiddag? Toch niet het straks vanmiddag? Braaf, hè?
Mhm.